Welcome to the Davis World YouTube channel. If you're new here, in the beginning of my videos, I just like to explain the types of videos I like to make. I love to make car related stuff and sometimes fabricating videos. So today what I'm going to be doing is I spent a lot of time up at East Coast Supercharging, probably a straight 2 months, filming a lot of really cool videos. Some of it was product stuff, some of it was just me hanging out, and I made some fun videos based on what I recorded. But what I wanted to show you guys today was the East Coast Supercharging C8 Corvette. This is a really cool video. You know, a lot of YouTubers out there are throwing around world record C8 Corvettes. So I thought it would be funny if I showed you a world record C8 Corvette video on my channel. The reason why it's a world record is because it's the only C8 in the world to actually have aftermarket cylinder heads on it, at least at the time when I filmed it. So in the video you're going to see, basically I want to show the kind of horsepower the car has when it first is on the dyno, completely stock. Then I want to show after the heads are installed. It has long tube headers, it has the East Coast Supercharging center exhaust on it, and this is with no tune. This is just letting the Chevrolet ECM do its own tuning and account for the airflow on the engine, and see what kind of horsepower numbers it came out with. So I just wanted to show you guys that footage. It's really cool. And then after the video is over, we'll talk a little bit about the car. I don't know if you guys are as excited as I am, but I think this is amazing. This is definitely the coolest thing. Even if the car doesn't run, I'm excited to see this thing sitting in here. So I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. I enjoyed filming it. What I'm going to be doing with all the East Coast Supercharging footage is have a playlist on my channel of just East Coast Supercharging stuff. I have a lot of really cool things coming up. They have supercharged Silverados, supercharged Corvettes. They make superchargers for Camaros. Hey, they were even working on a Mustang at some point. Not that they do Mustang stuff, but they were working on a Mustang up there. They do some cool resto mod stuff. So it's my favorite place to go. So every time I was allowed to go up there, I went, and I just wanted to film as much as I could. So this is basically the episode that's going to be explaining what I'm doing with all that footage. I do have a couple videos on the channel, but they were older, and I was just kind of testing to see if I wanted to put that stuff on the channel. People seem to like it, so I decided to put it up for my subscribers. So thanks again, everybody. Don't forget to check out my wide body Corvette and some of the other stuff I'm working on. I just finally started putting footage up of the Cobra, and I have some cool Miata stuff coming up, and a lot of really cool things. So stay tuned, everybody, and I really appreciate all the support. Have a very nice day.